So I just put up this one as an example for us. Hopefully it will help with the others also. Okay, so if they say find sine theta, okay, what would you guys say? Sine theta, we know now that sine is the opposite over the hypotenuse. Okay, sine theta, opposite over hypotenuse. But now there's theta, so we have to look at it from here. So that means this is our opposite side. If we look from here, opposite over hypotenuse, because remember the 90 degrees is always opposite the hypotenuse. Like the hypotenuse and the 90 are always opposite each other. So opposite over hypotenuse would be this side over this side. You can call it PQ over PR. Okay, PQ over this one, opposite PQ over hypotenuse PR. Or you've maybe seen this in maths. Sometimes what we do in maths is sometimes we say if this is the angle P, capital letter P, we always show an angle with a capital letter, the vertices of the triangle. Then this will be small letter P, this side. You can call it small letter P. If this is angle Q, the corner there, then this is small letter Q. And if that is R, and this is small letter R. Have you seen that? You can either call it side PQ or you can just call it R. So we can either say it's PQ over PR, okay, like this, or we can say it's R over Q, the same thing. Just a shorter way of writing it, okay? So then the second one, cos theta, would be adjacent over hypotenuse, so it's RQ over PR, or you can say QR over PR, which you can also write as P over Q, okay? When you just want to write it a bit shorter, you can write it like that, P over Q. And then the last one, tan theta, is from theta, it's opposite over adjacent. So opposite, PQ, okay, from theta, opposite, PQ, over adjacent, RQ, which you can also write as R over P, opposite over adjacent, R over P. Okay, so remember, it's just notation and stuff like that. If this is the angle P, yeah, you can say, we call it the angle, the size of the angle is alpha, the size of this angle is theta. So alpha is at the angle P. Okay, that's how big it is. But the side is the small letter P, small letter Q, and small letter R. It's just shorter, right, to write it as R instead of writing it as PQ, but it's the same thing. So for this one, let's just use the letters. Yeah. So now for sine alpha, okay, what are we going to have? Sine alpha, opposite of hypotenuse, P over Q. Okay. Okay, and then that's for alpha, opposite of hypotenuse. Okay, for cos alpha, cos alpha, adjacent over hypotenuse, R over Q, and then tan alpha, opposite over adjacent. Okay, tan alpha, opposite over adjacent, P over R. And as you can see, okay, we use that rule. We use that rule. That sine is opposite of hypotenuse, cos is adjacent of hypotenuse, and tan is opposite over adjacent. And then you can get any of them. Okay.